大家好 Welcome to Teacher Clean's Mandarin Chinese class. And in today's lesson, we're gonna learn measure words. In order to count nouns, like objects and people, you need to use a measure word. The formula is number or demonstrative pronoun plus measure word plus noun. Okay. Demonstrative pronoun means like this one, that one, these one, those ones. Okay. And let's take a look. There are four major types of measure words. The first one, the most universal one, is 个. So you can use 个 for some things and also people. But for people, specifically, if you want to be very polite, you can also use the measure word 位, okay, or 名 when you talk about professions like doctors, teachers, okay. All right, how to say I have one older brother. 我有一个哥哥. All right, so here 一个 the 个 is a measure word for people. 一个. Sometimes if you don't know which measure word you use, you can just use 个. People will understand you. Basically, 个 can be for people, ideas, and some general objects. How to say this teacher teaches very well? 这位老师教得很好. So here we use 位 for teacher to show our respect. Okay, 这位老师. He is a doctor. 他是一名医生. This is very formal when you read in the news or writing. So 名 for doctor, professions. Okay, now the second type of measure words for the objects with a particular shape or form. So shape and form measure words. For example, for the long things, long flexible like trousers, you can say I bought a new pair of pants. 我买了一条新裤子. So 条 here is the measure word for trousers or pants. 张 flat surfaces like paper, movie tickets, right? And 把 is here is a noun. The measure word for objects with handles, like umbrella. Okay. It's raining outside, bring an umbrella. 外面下雨了，带一把伞吧. So 把 is a measure word for umbrella. 一把伞 an umbrella. And for 张 there are two movie tickets on the table. 桌子上有两张电影票. So 张 is for movie tickets because they are flat on the surface. 两张电影票 two movie tickets. Paper, tickets, tables, and beds, right? And about the long things for 条, you can say rivers, roads, fish, and ponds. Okay. For the things with handles, such as hand, you can grasp with your hand. Okay. Umbrellas, chairs, and knives. Third type of measure words, vehicles and machinery measure words. When you want to talk about vehicles, the vehicles with the wheels. Okay, we use 辆 wheeled vehicles like buses, buses, cars, bicycles, and machinery, appliances. For example, appliances, computers, and TVs, and 架 for 台 for machinery, and 架 for airplanes, pianos. Okay, how to say that car is very expensive? 那辆汽车非常贵. So here we use the demonstrative pronoun 那辆 measure word for bus, 汽车 car. Okay, I need to buy a new computer. How to say that? 我需要买一台新电脑。台 is the matter word for computer. Also for TV appliances, right? Fridge. There is an airplane in the sky. 天上有一架飞机。So 架 is for airplane here. Airplanes, pianos, and cameras. All right. The fourth type of matter words, they measure actions. Action matter words. Talk about how many times an action happened. 次 number of times. 变 times from start to finish. Round trips like town. Go there and come back. For example, I have been to Beijing 3 times. We use 次, right? 我去过3次北京。Okay, 3次 3 times. 次. And to describe frequency. Okay, please read the text once. But here we use 变 is for the action from beginning to the end. 请把课文读一遍. Right? Read from beginning to the end. Okay. And I need to make a trip to the supermarket this afternoon. 我下午要去一趟超市. So here the 趟 is the matter word for the action, meaning you go there, come back, for round trip or errand. The things you need to do by going somewhere and come back. All right. So these are the matter words. Actually, there are many other matter words examples, but these are the most commonly used ones, right? Like the 个 and for people 为名 for objects like 条 long things 张 flat surface and objects with handles 把 okay, vehicles as well as action matter words 次 变 趟. Alright, that's it for this lesson. Enjoy learning. See you next time.